Hey everybody, welcome back to Gassed Out SA. We're back, and as you guys can see, I've got some new gear. A new camera, yes, that is right. Sorry, I just lost my words there for a second. But anyway, so I am back at RPM and Stealth Tune Cape Town for yet another project. So yeah, you guys did see the BMW 135 one that we've done here at RPM. And today they've got another sort of like project, and pretty stoked to see. From what I heard, Vaughan said to me that he was busy with Polo AW 2-liter GTI, and he was busy doing downpipe, intercooler, and stage 2 software. So yeah, let's just see what he's up to. As you guys can see, RPM, and never disappoints. So they're quite busy. As you guys can see, a bunch of cars. They've actually got something very special standing right over there, Ferrari Testarossa. So yeah, and there's mine. What's up, baby? Let's go see what Vaughan is busy getting up to. So yeah, let's see what is happening here. There we go. Let's go check what Vaughan is doing. Just gonna say hi to the bosses.
Hey, what? What's up?
Hi to the bosses. What's up, bro?
Hello.
So let's check what Vaughan's busy getting up to. What's up, bro?
That's all I'm doing.
Good in here, man.
Man.
What you busy with today?
With Polo AW GTi. Customer wanted a little bit more power, so we opted for him to have our stage 2 plus package, which consists of a front mount intercooler.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, wait, is it cooler? That wasn't me.
That definitely wasn't here.
What happened here?
Yeah.
Wasn't me.
Yeah, front mount intercooler.
Yeah, there's the cooler. Looks pretty dope though.
Yeah, definitely. Quite a nice snap fit.
It's quite thick as well, you can't really see much, but
Yeah, that's definitely not thick. And then we did a turbo muffler delete. And
so let's see, oh, there's it there.
like at the back, and then a complementary turbo inlet 90-degree bend, and then I'm just gonna finish it off now with the intake, and then back on the dyno, and then we'll do some software on it as well.
Yeah, we did actually. I was here when obviously we saw the stock figures. So what do you think is what it's gonna make now with everything on?
We're hoping to make about 180, 190, depending on how heavy is the car. It's quite a low mileage car as well, so
Yeah, we won't say, we won't talk about that.
we don't want to push it too hard, and then yeah, we take it from there. Let's see what it does.
I like this. This is the AW intake,
Yeah.
which actually looks pretty rad. Let's see, where's the rest of it? Yeah, so that one's gonna go in, and that's part of it. And here's all front piece. So is that basically all that's gonna happen to this car now?
That's basically all. And then let's see. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, well, let's see. Yeah, we will catch up with Vaughan. I'm not gonna bug him anymore. Yeah, we're gonna see. I'll catch up with Vaughan as soon as he gets the car on the dyno, and then yeah, let's hope and pray to see if it's gonna make that 180. Highly sure that it will. So yeah, let me show you around the car a bit, and we'll catch up with Vaughan as soon as he puts it on the dyno. Dyno run is done. Pretty strong for, but Vaughan has only the mods, eh? Only mods doing 163 kilowatts and 402 newtons. That's no software. Software still busy loading. Vaughan is busy doing his thing here, but as mentioned, it made that 163 kilowatts on just on the intake that I showed you, and then obviously at the back here, the turbo muffler delete, elbow, and then the cooler. It's pretty strong, so we should actually be getting that 180 kilowatts. So should be getting it. This shows you how the score, it's basically struggling to breathe.
Yeah, it just shows how restrictive is that all the breathing modes.
Oh, so
we already gained like 60 newtons at the line, and majority of AWs they spike and go immediately down. So it actually holds.
Yeah, you can see obviously with the software now that it will keep it, take this
we'll
up
keep
a
the
bit.
platform, we just lift it up.
So pretty stoked to see that. So what is it like? You have to take the ECU and stuff up
Yeah,
now?
so now we're going to do a bench read and then load some software.
Oh well, let's see. I'm gonna leave Vaughan to it, and what power to weight ratio. Take the wheels off and we'll gain more power.
Indeed.
We'll catch up with Vaughan as soon as he's done. Okay, so I'm gonna go check where Vaughan is. Yo, this place is a mess, right? Okay, so Vaughan is busy doing a bench read for the AW. Can't you guys do a read on the, like just on a normal port?
So generally, some cars we can, some cars we can't. If the port is locked, then we have to remove the ECU out and then unlock the ECU, and then we can therefore read it and do a write on add software. So, but
obviously, like if you have to do something like if I have to touch on one of these things, then what can happen?
So basically, anything like if you lose internet connection, if you lose power, you will break the ECU.
And then is that like new ECU?
Some is recoverable.
Or can you fix it?
Yeah, some you can, some you can't.
So it's just gonna be like, I hope.
Yes.
Okay, jeez. It's like I almost like actually had the camera on here, and the little strap was like touching us. Like, oh, don't do that, don't do that. Because like then I'm gonna have to look for AW ECU, and then.
Or you can just own one.
Oh, I can own one. Yeah. How long does it normally take to?
It will take between 4 ECUs are different, so about 10 minutes.
And then it's like obviously put it back on the car and then test everything out.
Hope everything all goes well.
Well, we're gonna check now, and then hopefully we get that.
Just load it now, so now I can just put the ECUs back in the car and then fingers crossed.
Let's go check it out. Okay. And are you happy, bro? Stealth power 192 and 523. So there you guys have it. 192 kilowatts and 523. I almost went again as I almost did 192 kilowatts. It's like dyno days, really, like I always get it wrong. So that, as you guys can see, 34.6%, 34.6% kilowatt gain and 29% Newton meters, which is really not that bad. It's actually pretty decent gains on this car. 49.3 kilowatt gain and almost 120 newtons gain on this bad boy. Yeah, so do you guys have it? That is it. Okay, so as you guys can see, Ryan is busy there speaking to the owner. Unfortunately, I can't put the owner on camera. As you guys know, this whole Poppy Act thing is going around. Like, I need authorization and I'm not going to go through that now. But as you guys saw, that the AW that one of them just finished, that Style Tune Cape Town just finished, pretty decent gains on it. And we were actually we were hoping for at least like 185, 188, and yo, sorry, like see the hairdo is pretty crazy. Yeah, for 185, 188 kilowatts gain. Yeah, we got surprised, and the guys at Style Tune Cape Town, they're very ecstatic about that. So you guys know, if you guys have a Polo AW and you guys want some power, I mean, you're not gonna complain about 192 kilowatts and over 500 newtons on your Polo AW. So be sure to check them out. I will leave all their details down in the description box below. Catch them out on social media. They've got Instagram, you can message them on their Facebook, you can check them out on there as well. And yeah, the contact details and everything, email addresses, everything will be down in the box below. So please do get in contact with them if you have servicing, if you need servicing, repairs, if you need any modifications done on your car. As you guys saw, they do work on any make and model of vehicles. I mean, as I showed you, like, they have quite a few cars outside standing here. So yeah, I think I must say thanks to Style Tune Cape Town and Ryan Pereira Motors for having me here today and check out what they've been up to with Polo AW. And then to all the other sponsors, I must thank them as well. Dr. Detailer, which we are going to get into as well, and ENDURADE from Nutrotech. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring the channel. And everyone who has subscribed so far, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please make sure that you do subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell to get notified for all the new videos. I almost forgot what I wanted to say. For all the new videos that's coming up, we're going to do a lot more of these things. If there's anything that you guys might know that you guys have questions about, please drop it in the comment section below. And we will gladly come out to Style Tune Cape Town, and we will answer those questions if you guys have anything related to any modifications or repairs or whatever it may be. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will check you guys on the next one. Peace out.